Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how I extract aloe vera from a fresh aloe vera plant. If you have followed me for a while, you know that I absolutely love aloe vera. I use it on my skin, I use it on my hair. I've even used it for weight loss, and it is such an amazing thing that you can absolutely not ignore if you are a beauty lover like me. But before I move into the video, if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscription box below so you never ever miss a video from me. I post all the time, and I also post Urdu videos on Instagram, so make sure you check out my Instagram. And I'm gonna jump straight into the extraction method. So this is my baby plant. This is my aloe vera plant that I have at home, and I have a really small plant. I couldn't find a bigger one. All the bigger plants that I went and saw at the store were like in the ground, and to actually use them I would have had to plant this in the ground. So just, so I could have it indoors, I kept it in a little thing like this so I can water it and have it like this. I have watered it really well, and now it is time to extract the aloe vera. So it is so easy to extract aloe vera, and you guys can definitely do it. So all you do is you cut out a small piece or a big piece. So I just cut that out. So the reason I prefer using something like this compared to having something that's store-bought is because I know there are no chemicals in this. If you do want to preserve it, if you want to extract the aloe vera and then preserve it for later uses, you can definitely put in some vitamin E oil, and that really preserves the aloe vera. Or you can freeze your aloe vera and it won't go bad at all. You can use it fresh as well. So if I'm being lazy at night and I just want to get a quick aloe vera in, rub a bit of aloe vera on my skin, or if I've just freshly dermaplaned my face and my skin feels like it's a bit irritated, aloe vera is the best thing. You can see that it is like so juicy, and there's just so much aloe vera in there. And this is a small plant. This is actually a tiny plant. I've used really massive plants and extracted aloe vera from there. So all you need to do to extract your aloe vera is cut a piece like this. I recommend doing little by little, maybe do about 1 inch by 1 inch to extract it. And you just want to cut pieces like this size. Once you have something that looks like this, all you want to do is cut out the sides. So the sides are a bit spiky, so if you are younger, definitely get someone to help you because you don't want to get hurt. And then I should probably do this, on a chopping board or something. I'm really sorry, but that is what it will look like. So then all you have to do is remove the top and the bottom of the aloe vera to extract it. So it is so easy. You just have to be really careful and just stay really, really close to the skin of the leaf. But if you're being really lazy and you just want to use your aloe vera, I think the best thing to do is once you've cut it like this and you've got it, just one size cut, just make some cuts on the aloe vera. This will kind of help the gel release from the plant. I just make cuts on every angle like this, and just heaps of cuts. Once you do that, you will see that the plant is kind of like the juices are kind of coming out. So you can see that the juices are coming out of the aloe vera. So if you want to use it straight from the plant, this is the way I recommend you to do. Just make some cuts and the juices will start coming out. The gel will kind of release from the actual plant. If you want to preserve it though, make cuts like this and then just make another cut and kind of get the gel out from the bottom. If you want to preserve heaps and you want to use it for your remedies, just get all of this aloe vera, put it in a blender and blend it up. You can store it in a jar, put it in the fridge, use it every single night. This is perfect to use fresh, or you can use it cold. You can even freeze it. You can make like aloe vera cubes out of it and rub them on your skin every single night. If you want to use it for your hair remedies, you can still use it like this. And the best thing about aloe vera is it is perfect for like so many things. So I use aloe vera on my hair. If I'm doing like a hair conditioning mask, I will put aloe vera. If I'm doing a skin mask, I would put aloe vera. And every single night I like to rub aloe vera on my skin as well, because my skin is so like sensitive and it gets irritated really easily. And with irritated skin, aloe vera really calms it down. The other thing is, because my skin is so sensitive, I get sunburned so easily. And if I do get sunburned, I literally just will put this gel on my skin and I am like good to go. So as you can see, the aloe vera that I put on my hand is already absorbed, and that's the best thing. You can use this for all skin types. It is perfect for kids as well. Just make sure you do a patch test to see they're not allergic. Even if you've never used aloe vera on your skin, do a patch test to make sure that you're not allergic to it. And that is it, guys. That is how I use aloe vera. That is how I extract aloe vera from my plant. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pretty much cut the entire plant, and then I'm going to cut little 1-inch pieces and extract all the aloe vera, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge so it is ready to use every time I want to use it. And it is so easy, it is so cheap, and it will keep growing back. Just keep watering it and it will keep growing back. So make sure you try this, and if you want me to try any other remedies or share anything else, please tell me in the comments section below. I would love to do that. And thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye.